Cartoon TV. Learn, explore, and have fun. Today we learn about water transport. Boat. This is a boat. Ship. This is a ship. Cruise ship. This is a cruise ship. Submarine. This is a submarine. Steamboat. This is a steamboat. Cargo ship. This is a cargo ship. Motorboat. This is a motorboat. Hovercraft. This is a hovercraft. Sailboat. This is a sailboat. Jet scooter. This is a jet scooter. Warship. This is a warship. Houseboat. This is a houseboat. Raft. This is a raft. Yacht. This is a yacht. Pirate ship. This is a pirate ship. Boat carrier. This is a boat carrier. Catamaran. This is a catamaran. Canoe. This is a canoe. Paddleboard. This is a paddleboard. Rowboat. This is a rowboat. Jet ski. This is a jet ski. Bye-bye, kids. Thanks for watching.